In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in WPS Office Writer. Printing may seem simple, but using the right settings can make a big difference in how your document looks on paper. Whether you are printing an assignment, a report, or any important document, understanding the print options helps you avoid wasted paper and ensures everything comes out exactly the way you expect. Before printing, make sure your document is already open and properly finalized. Once you are ready, go to the top menu and click on File. From there, move your mouse over the Print option. Instead of printing right away, it is a good idea to open the Print Preview first. This allows you to see how the document will look when printed and helps you catch layout issues before committing to paper. Inside the Print Preview screen, you will see several settings that you can adjust based on your needs. You can start by checking the paper information to ensure the correct paper size is selected. This is especially important if you are using something other than standard paper. Next, review the page orientation and choose whether your document should be in portrait or landscape mode, depending on how your content is laid out. You can also adjust the print mode and decide which parts of the document you want to print. If you only need specific pages, you can set the print range instead of printing the entire document. This is helpful for saving time and resources. Margins can also be adjusted to control how much space appears around the text on each page. Another useful option is choosing whether to print odd pages or even pages only. This feature is often used for double-sided printing. You can also set how many pages appear on each sheet, which is useful for drafts or reference copies where saving paper is a priority. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the preview so you can immediately see how each adjustment affects the final output. Once everything looks correct and you are satisfied with the settings, go to the bottom of the print window and click the Print button. You can also press Enter on your keyboard to start printing right away. Your document will then be sent to the printer using the options you selected. Taking a few extra moments to review these settings can help ensure clean, professional-looking results every time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.